Welcome to the Northern Region Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Region housing market, which includes these areas. As of March, the nation has recovered all of the private sector jobs lost in the recession. Between February and March, the nation added 192,000 jobs, all of which were in the private sector. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and education and health services. At 6.7%, the U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged from February. Activity in the national housing market remains sluggish, and existing home sales, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels. Winter weather continued to play a role, but rising prices and interest rates may impact sales favorably in the upcoming months. In the Northern Region, buyer activity remained low in March. There were 561 closed sales in March, 11% fewer than last year. This is the first year-over-year decrease for this indicator since the federal shutdown. But the number of new pending contracts increased, rising 7.2% to a total of 962 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now increased from the prior year for 9 months in a row. The number of active listings increased to 13% from last year, rising to 3,608 listings at the end of March. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 46% of its 2007 peak. The number of new listings also increased from the prior year, rising 8.6% to 1,243 listings. The median sales price in the region reached its highest March level in 5 years. As compared to last year, it increased 4.4%, or $7,400, to $174,500. The median days on market for the region is 64 days, 24 days more than this time last year. March generally continued the winter pattern seen earlier in the Northern Region. Closed sales decreased while pending contracts increased. Seller activity continues to increase, but inventory remains tight. The median sales price increased due in part to the tight inventory. After a slow winter, spring and summer should pick up and capture some of the pent-up buyer demand. That's the Northern Region's Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.